Welcome to Web Assist. I'm Athlon, and today I'm going to show you how to launch a WordPress website with WooCommerce on Cloudways. Let's get started. To recap, I want to launch a WordPress website with WooCommerce on Cloudways. To do that, I'm going to follow these 7 simple steps here. Let's get started. Visit cloudways.com. Click the Get Started for Free button. Follow the steps to create a free account. Once you've logged in, you'll be at your dashboard. Once at your dashboard, all you need to do is click the Launch button. Now we're getting ready to launch our cloud server. On the cloud server, we'll have applications. So to do that, we'll select the actual application that we want. From this drop down here, you can see everything that Cloudways offers. So there's quite a selection that you can go for here. For us, I'm looking for a WordPress with a WooCommerce installed. So I'll click that selection here. Now I need to give my managed app a name. I typically will use the domain name. So for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to use testdomain.com. You can name it anything you want. You also need to name your managed server. Now remember, this is actually a server you're launching with WordPress and WooCommerce on it. Now the beauty of Cloudways is on every server that you've got, you can install as many applications as you want. So I'm just going to call this Cloud Server 1. And then the name of your project. This can be anything you want that'll help you identify what's on the server. I'm just going to call this Test Project 1. Once you've done those, you can now select where you actually want your server to be provisioned. Do you want it on DigitalOcean, Linode, Vultr, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, or KYUP? I have no idea how to pronounce that, so let's just keep it at KYUP. For demonstration, I'm going to definitely use Vultr. Vultr is a favorite of mine. Although I must say they used to be the cheapest on Cloudways, no more. DigitalOcean has dropped their pricing, and as you can see at the bottom here, DigitalOcean has become super aggressive in their pricing. I still prefer Vultr personally, but by all means, DigitalOcean is a solid choice, or anything else you want. But the cheapest will definitely be DigitalOcean, Linode, or Vultr. Now I'm going to select a server size of 1 gig. You can go up, you want and select anything you need depending on the size of your application. And as you can see there, pricing will increase as you use the slider here. So let's keep it on the 1 gig. Now we need to select a location. For our purposes, I'm going to use Dallas, USA Dallas. But as you can see there, there's multiple locations across the world. So choose whatever is closest to your target audience. And now we're ready. Everything looks good. I know what I'm going to be paying every month. I know what I'm going to be paying every hour. I'm happy with everything. Now all I do is click the Launch Now button. And that's it. We're now adding a server. As you can see here, it says your high-speed application will be ready in approximately 13 minutes. So you are now getting a server created or spun up, and it's installing WordPress with WooCommerce for you. And that's it. It is so simple. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please hit the subscribe button and use the notification bell as well to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And of course, if you've got any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'll be very happy to help. Enjoy your new server. Bye for now.